Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. It's almost Mid-Autumn Festival in Chinese culture again, which is celebrated on August 15th on the lunar calendar, when the full moon is at its brightest. We would gather with families and enjoy mooncakes to celebrate family togetherness. We are making mooncakes with two kinds of stuffing today, green bean and black sesame, both with duck egg yolk in the center. The cakes we are making today are 50 grams each, which includes 30 grams of stuffing and 20 grams of wrapping dough. Let's make the dough first. The recipe for the dough can be found in description below, which would be enough dough for 20 mooncakes. First, add the baking powder and dissolve it with a little bit of water. Then add vegetable oil and honey and mix them well. Last, add the flour and mix them together into texture similar to soft play dough. Put the dough into shrink wrap and let it set for 1 hour. Let's prepare the stuffing while we wait. You can buy ready-to-use duck egg yolk and stuffings like the bean paste or popular lotus seed paste in Chinese supermarket. We are going to measure one yolk and the paste to be 30 grams. Then fold the yolk inside the paste and form into a ball. Once the dough is ready, divide it into 20-gram pieces. To make the mooncake, flatten the dough first and put the ball-shaped stuffing in the middle and fold the dough to cover the stuffing core evenly. To put the final shape on the mooncakes, you need the mooncake press like this, or the old-fashioned wooden mold paddles. Cover the mooncake with some dry flour first. Put it into the press or mold. Press it into shape. Remove it and line up in the baking tray. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit. Put the mooncakes in and bake for 5 minutes so the pattern on top of the cakes are hardened. Remove the cakes from the oven. Prepare 1 egg yolk mixture. Brush it on top of the cakes carefully so the cake would have a golden color finish at the end. Put the tray back and bake for another 15 minutes to finish up. Remove the tray from the oven and let the cake cool down. It's better to put the cakes into sealed container and let them rest for at least 2 days in room temperature, so the cake shell will become moist again. These mooncakes will last 10 days in containers as well. I hope you learned how to make Chinese mooncake and can enjoy it during family gathering. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our new creation each week. See you next time.